No, I'm a sheepdog. I'm a sheepdog. I'm a sheepdog.
Do not give what is holy to the dogs, nor cast your pearls before swine, lest they trample them under their feet, and turn and tear you in pieces. Matthew 7:6.
I'm a sheepdog.
But outside are dogs, and sorcerers, and sexually immoral, and murderers, and idolaters, and whoever loves and practices a lie. Revelation 22:15.
I'm a sheepdog.
Beware of dogs, beware of evil workers, beware of the mutilation. Philippians 3:2.
I'm a sheepdog.
As a dog returns to his own vomit, so a fool repeats his folly. Proverbs 26:11.
I'm a sheepdog.